Let's go. This TV is in our living room. Me, mom, dad, anybody can watch it. But this TV is definitely going to be in my room because it's my room. So tell me one thing. So has it ever happened with you that you're watching something with your family and some sneaky shit comes up, some slang comes up and it's all awkward? Just kidding. It has definitely not happened with me. And it's definitely not the reason I was gifted a TV personally for my room. The reason is this is a class product for us young adults. This is how it looks like. So this is the Mets Cheer TV, the G3 series. It's a 55-inch 4K resolution TV. I absolutely love how it looks. So this, Mets is a German brand, but these TVs are manufactured in Hyderabad, India, with keeping in mind the German standards, which we know is absolutely the best since childhood. Comes with these table stands, as you can see. And it also comes with this wall mount, so we don't have to worry about these. And guys, now you will also get a chance to win the Mets Cheer TV G3 series as well. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and tell me the 3 cool features you like about the TV. And then one of our lucky winners are gonna get the Mets Cheer TV. But before that, I'm gonna check out the features of the TV. I absolutely love the super sleek design, and it also has a metal back panel. As you can see, the boundless screen, it gives me the perfect watching experience. Also, it's super sleek and very stylish, which I absolutely love, and it's humongous. It's a 55-inch display. As you can see, the TV, the images are looking so beautiful. So, the experience of digital world, it just gets larger and larger. And now for the most important aspect of any TV, the display. Mets TV has HDR10 and HLG picture technology. That's why you can see every single detail of anything. So this video is a video of Vietnam. You can see the trees, the water, the mountains, so beautiful. And the most interesting part is you can stand at any corner of your room and you can get a good view. Like from here I can see it clearly, and even from here. So at all angles you're gonna get the best experience. HDR10 Plus and Chameleon Engine image quality processing technology makes you feel like you're actually in Vietnam. See? Wow. And that's not even the best part. This TV has an anti-blue light feature, which is perfectly safe for your eyes. I think my mom and dad did their perfect research so that even if I'm watching a movie for a good couple of hours, my eyes are perfectly safe. Also guys, the sound system is incredible because this Mets TV has DTS, which is Digital Theatre System True Surround Technology, which makes you feel like you're in a movie theatre because you can hear the slightest, the smallest detail of music. I absolutely love it. I'm a big fan of music. So let me play some music for you guys. Also guys, this premium TV comes with an inbuilt 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 version with bi-directional input and output connectivity. Also guys, because this is obviously an Android TV, so there's Play Store, so I can do anything I want. I can download games, I can download any app, so not only movies and YouTube videos, but I can live stream, I can blog, so it's super interesting. And since this TV supports Google Assistant and Alexa, I can speak to the remote control. Let me show you how. Hey, open YouTube. See? Wow, this is so cool. Also, this TV has built-in apps like fitness apps. You can see there's so many fitness apps. And now the best feature which we all care about the most is the pricing. So the Mets Cheer TV G3 series comes at an unbelievable price range of 50 to 60,000 Indian rupees.